In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve common issues you're experiencing with Windows Update on your Acer laptop, like if they're not working. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the right side, you want to select additional troubleshooters. And then underneath Get Up and Running, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Resolve problems that are bringing you from updating Windows. Go ahead and run that and give that a moment to run here. And then hopefully it would be able to resolve the problem. You can view additional information about what was checked for, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.